Shawnee,
What?
who ate all my chocolate?
Tony.
It was Tony? Did you have any?
Yeah. I get 2.
You only had 2?
Yeah.
And then Tony ate the rest of them?
Yeah.
It wasn't you.
No.
You promise?
Yeah.
So the dog ate all my chocolate?
Yeah.
I think you're lying.
No, Tony lying.
Tony's lying?
Yeah.
Tony? Tony? Tony! Look at Mama. Did you eat all my chocolate? No, it was him.
No, don't. Nobody. Tony did. You eat. Tony, you eat Mommy's chocolate? Yeah.
He said yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.